police have just left and they've fingerprinted it. And it looks like they got some really good prints off this. So we're just going to program the remote now. And that's succeeded. And we're only going to do one. So let's just lock and unlock the car. Unlock. Alright. I've already done the video, but we're just going to do it again and just double check and make sure everything does work. And it does. Unlock. Start. So if you need a key made for Hyundai car, 0413 120 444. Thanks for watching.